We'll guide you through how to update Claude to the latest version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Claude website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the account icon, usually at the lower left corner, and click on it. This should prompt a drop-down menu where you can choose the My Account option. After you're on your account page, you should see a section labeled Software Updates or something similar. Click on that and the system will check for the latest updates available for Claude. If an update is available, you'll see an option to download and install. Go ahead and click it. The download process will begin, and depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. After the download is complete, you will be prompted to install the update. Make sure to save any work you have open before proceeding, as this may require a restart of the software. Click Install and follow any on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, restart Claude to ensure the updates take effect. If prompted, you might need to log back in using your account credentials. You can verify you have the latest version by checking the version number in the About section, usually found under the Help menu. Keeping your software updated is crucial for getting the latest features and security improvements, so it's a good practice to check for updates regularly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.